Etika, Desmond Daniel Amofah, May 12, 1990 c. June 19, 2019, better known by his online alias Etika, was an American YouTube personality, online streamer, rapper and model, best known for his highly energetic reactions to Super Smash Bros. Character reveals and Nintendo Direct presentations, and for playing and reacting to various games. A son of Ghanaian politician Owuraku Amofah, he was a resident of Brooklyn, New York. Amofah began his YouTube career in 2006, creating the account Tyrone Iceman. He created his main YouTube channel, EW Network, meaning Etika World Network, in July 2012. Early life. Desmond Daniel Amofah was born on May 12, 1990, in Brooklyn, New York, to father Owuraku Amofah, a Ghanaian politician and lawyer from Kibai, Ghana, and mother Sabrina Amofah. His great-uncle was Nana Akufo-Addo, who has served as president of Ghana since 7 January 2017. Amofah had several siblings, including an older brother, Randy Amofah, August 14, 1982, October 31, 2010. Career: modeling and rapping. Amofah was active in modeling and rapping, having released an independently produced mixtape titled Written in Ice in 2007 under his pseudonym Iceman. In 2008, Amofah participated in 2 Grind Time Now rap battles. Amofah started modeling in 2011 and continued until 2015. He owned an account on the website Model Mayhem, where he stated he was quite tall and that his last measurement of height was 6 feet 6 inches. YouTube. Having previously used the YouTube account Tyrone Iceman since 2006, Amofah created a new YouTube account in 2012 to broadcast his gaming and reaction streams under his original username EW Network. Controversies: fake Nintendo Switch and fake donations. In November 2016, 2 videos of Amofah's where he purported to have a Nintendo Switch console before its 2017 release gained notoriety and were scrutinized by fans. It was later revealed that the model Amofah was using was 3D printed by fellow YouTuber Sandfist at his request. In June 2017, Amofah revealed himself to be the victim of multiple fake donations or chargebacks of large amounts of money sent to his PayPal account via stream donations, which would jostle Amofah with hundreds of dollars in processing fees. Channel terminations and breakdowns. On October 23, 2018, Amofah was temporarily suspended from Twitter for using the word nigga in a tweet. On April 16, 2019, Amofah posted several tweets about ending his life. The first one stating Savonarola, "I'm going to kill myself. You lot certainly have already. Shame on you all, silly humans." He then tweeted he would kill himself by shooting himself in the head, stating, "I am about to shoot myself in the forehead with a pistol I purchased from a gun shop in Long Island. Bury me in Brooklyn." On April 29, after tweeting a vast quantity of cryptic messages, including homophobic and ethnic slurs, that were promptly deleted, he blocked close friends of his and other YouTubers, including fellow YouTuber Sky Williams. Later that day, he live-streamed himself being detained by police to over 19,000 viewers on Instagram Live, after a concerned fan notified police about his alarmingly erratic nature during a live stream. Before being detained, Amofah shouted, "The Venus Project." Amofah was a member and supporter of the Venus Project, a non-profit organization created by Jack Fresco. He referenced the Venus Project several times during his YouTube career. This leads some fans to believe that either Amofah was in a cult or the Venus Project was a cult, both of which Amofah denied. Disappearance and death. On midnight of June 2019, a video titled "I'm Sorry" was uploaded to Amofah's personal YouTube channel, Tyrone Iceman. In the video, Amofah admitted to having mental health issues, struggling with the attention he had gained from streaming, and apologized for pushing people away from him. He apologized to family, friends, and YouTubers Keemstar and Pakamain. The description of the video contained a suicide note. YouTube soon removed the video for reactions. Amofah's death highlighted social media platforms' handling of posts by users who appear at risk with mental illness or who are contemplating suicide. Legacy.